check the paper settings of the printer, go to menu, paper input, then you can select paper size 3:1, so A4 portrait, okay? Then you can press okay, then back, or and then paper size 3:2 A4 portrait, okay? So then in tray A4, then portrait. So A4 portrait, A4 portrait. Now we will check the printer settings in the computer. So it must be matched. The tray, the settings in the printer, and in the driver, printer driver settings, and the web image monitor. Okay? To get the IP address of the printer or to change the IP address, just press the menu, press down, pause interface, okay, network, IPv4, okay, IP address. If you want to change, just use the arrow, then arrow down, arrow up, okay. If you want to change, press the arrow right or left, then to increase, up or down, then press OK. Okay? Then the subnet mask, then the gateway. Okay?